Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and I am teaching grammar. So students, remove your grammar textbooks. Yes, page number 19, lesson number 7. Naming words one and more than one. Yes, have you removed? In previous chapter we have studied naming special names. Okay, now we are going to start naming words one and more than one. Now see here children, here are pencils. Okay, now this is one pencil. Okay, how many is this? One, only one. Now when you will add for this 2, then 3, then 4. Now it is 4. Means what here? Naming words means what? One or more than one. First we are having 1, then we add 2, 3, 4. Now it becomes 4. Means more than 1. In same way fruits. Now this is one fruit. How many fruits? One fruit. Now when you add here 2 fruits, 3 fruits, okay, 4 fruits. You can see this all 4 fruits. 1 and more than 1. Then first we have seen for 1. Now we are saying 4 fruits. Okay. Then vehicle also. This is how much? How many vehicles? 1 vehicle. Okay, now if you will add, this will become second vehicle. Now it is 2 vehicles. So 1 and 2. Now there are 2 vehicles. Okay. In the same way you can see here, what is this? Leaf. This is a leaf of a tree. This is only how many leaves? 1 leaf. Yes. Now if you will add for this 2, 3, then 4. Now how many leaves became? 4 leaves. Okay. Now see this. When you are adding, when there is 1, you will say only 1 leaf. Okay. 1. Now here you can see 1 bell. Then here you can see 2 bells. 2 bells. Now when you are adding more than 1, that time you will add yes. You will add yes. This word is very important. You can see in all these pictures 1 bell, 2 bells. You can't say 2 bell. You will say 2 bells. Yes. So 1 chair, 2 chairs. You will see here S is added. Chairs. 1 chair, 2 chairs. S. Then 1 book, 2 books. You can see here S is added. 2 books. For 1 you will not add S. Only 1. When you want to add more than 1, then you will say yes. 2 books. Here also yes. Then 1 tree, 2 trees. Okay. 1 tree, 2 trees. When you are going to spell, you will spell 1 tree. Then you will spell 2 trees. S. You can see here S is added. 2 bells. You can't say 2 chair because it is more than 1, no. How you will say 2 chair? It will become plural, chairs. Then 1 book, 2 books, 1 tree, 2 trees. Then next see, now here you can see here we add yes to words like bell, chairs, book and tree. What we do? We add yes for where? Bell, chair, book and tree. Then we add es to some naming words. We add yes for bell, chair, book, tree. Okay, that are things. So we add yes. Now for naming words, what we add? es. We add es. So you can see here one watch. Now watch is only one. So two watches. Watches means es. Then one mango, two mangoes. es. Then one dish, four dishes. es. You can see here. Then one bush, two bushes. Okay, so you should know when to add yes, only yes, and when to add es. For naming words, you are going to add es, and for things like book, chair, you can add only yes. Means what you can say? One and more than one. When you are adding one, it is a singular. Okay, one is a singular, so you will add only, you will say as it is. But when you are adding more, it becomes plural. Okay, books, many books are there. 2 books, 3 books, 4 books, many books. So you will add yes. In the same way, then we add for naming words es. Then one watch, two watches. One mango, two mangoes. One dish, four dishes. One bush, two bushes. In this way you will see. Now say, repeat after me. One book, two books. One tree, two trees. Then one watch, two watches. One mango, two mangoes. Then one dish, four dishes. One bush, two bushes. Okay, in this way you can see how it is added. Then now see in next, what you will see in next page. See, turn the page. See here, one bush, two bushes. One box, two boxes. You can see es we have added. Now in this way we are going to solve exercise A. So remove page number 20. Now see your exercise A. Now in this, add yes or es to make them more than one. Now when to add yes or es? Okay, I told you when there is one, it is a singular. When you will add yes, it will be plural. So train, it is more than one, trains. Then school, schools. Then pencil, pencils. Crow, crows. Nest, nests. Door, doors. Now you can see in this we have add yes. Okay. Train. Now one train is there. Then more than many trains. Okay. So what you will add here? Yes. Say train. Train. Then more than one, what will become? trains. Trains. While spelling, how you will spell? Train. Trains. Train. Trains. The next one, school. 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 Then more than one, schools. 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 One school, many schools. More than one means many. Okay, school, schools. Then pencil, PENCIL, pencil. Then how it becomes? Pencils, PENCILS, pencils. Pencil, pencils. Then crow, crows. C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-O-W-S, crows. While spelling, how you will spell crow? Crows. Crow, crows. Then nest, N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T-S, nests. Then door, D-O-O-R, door. Doors, D-O-O-R-S, doors. While spelling, you will say doors. Now see children, as we have seen train, we have add yes. Now here you see, now already there is class, C-L-A-S-S class. Then can you add C-L-A-S-S again S, 3x will come. Is it correct? Now see. See this side now, here you have added yes. Okay, now see. If you add yes, C-L-A-S-S, is it correct? Yes, no, it is not correct because it will not come triple X, it is a wrong. So what you will do here? Now you will add ES here, you can't add yes. Okay, now what you will write? C-L-A-S-S-E-S, classes. Then glasses, G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. Bushes, B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. Fox, F-O-X-E-S, fox. Benches, B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. Potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Now see children, how we have done class, classes. One class is there, many classes are there, more than one. Okay, more than one means 2, 3, it may be 2 classes, 3 classes, 4 classes. Okay, so classes. Then glass, glasses. Bush, bushes. Fox, foxes. Bench, benches. Potato, potatoes. Now spell, repeat after me. Class, C-L-A-S-S, class. Then more than one is C-L-A-S-S-E-S, class. Then glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glass. Then bushes, B-U-S-H, bushes, bush. Then bushes, B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. Fox, F-O-X, fox, foxes, F-O-X-E-S, foxes. Bench, B-E-N-C-H, bench, benches, B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. Potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato, potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. Now you can spell, the spell how when you are spelling, how it comes. Class, classes. Glass, glasses. Bush, bushes. Fox, foxes. Bench, benches. Potato, potatoes. So as we have seen how to when to add yes and when to add es. Okay. Now we will go for next. See here. Now see, change F-E or F to or V-E-S. Now how to add? As we have seen first, when to add yes, then when to add es, we have seen. Okay. Now we shall see F only. Yes, F only, it is not there. We can add F, FE or VES. Now see here, change FE to, we want to change F or FV to VES. We want to change FE, F to VES and fill the boxes. Now see here, you can see here in the picture, 1 leaf, 4 leaves, 1 knife, 4 knives. So leaf, here F is there, so F will become VES. Leaves, knife is there, FE is there, it will become VES as they had told. For F and FE we should add VES. Now see here, 1 loaf, 2 loaves, VES. Then 1 wolf, 2 wolves, VES. Then 1 thief, 4 thieves, VES. Then 1 knife, 4 knives, VES. Okay, have you got it? When F is there, F or FE, they have told, when F or FV, you should add VES. So we have seen how it is. Yes? Okay, write down this, children. 1 loaf, 2 loaves. It is 1 and here it is more than 1. Then 1 wolf, 3 wolves. So spelling how will come? WOLVES, wolves. Then 1 thief, 4 thieves, FOUR, 4THIEVES, thieves. Then 1 knife, 5 knives, FIVE, 5, knife, KNIVES, knives. Write down the fast. You can see that we have added ES, ES and now we are adding VES. So this you should know where to use, when to use ES, ES or VES. Then turn the page, next page. So as we saw here, just now we have added yes, then ES, then VES. Okay, how to add S, ES, VS, this all will tell you more than one. Now after this we can also add IES. Okay, IES. Now see here, we make words which mean more than one by changing the last word Y to IES. Now if last word is Y, then you can change in IES. Here also you can see that singular and plural. Now see, 1 lady, LADY, lady. So 3 ladies, 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 means we are adding IES. So where to use, when to use, S, ES, VES, IES, this you should know. Now see here exercise C. 1 city. Now change these words from 1 to more than 1. 1 city, then what will come here? 2 cities. So spelling how you will write? CITIES, cities. So how you will write? 1 city, 2 cities. 1 ferry, three fairies. Spelling how you will write? F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Fairies. Then stories, diaries. Then 6 lilies. You can see here, in all this you can see Y is there. C-I-T-Y, F-I-R-Y, S-T-O-R-Y, story, diary, D-I-A-R-Y, diary, lily, L-I-L-Y, lily. You can see all Y. So while writing one city, two cities. Come on children, repeat after me. One city, two cities. So city spelling C-I-T-I-E-S, cities. Then one fairy, two fairies. F-A-I-R-I-E-S, fairies. Then story, one story, four stories. S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. Then one diary, five diaries. D-I-A-R-I-E-S, diaries. One lily, six lilies. L-I-L-I-E-S, lilies. Okay. Now children, as we have seen these all letters, now we can see, let us learn some more words which mean more than one. Okay. Now you can see here some words which we had added when it is more than one. Yes, yes, V-E-S, I-E-S. Now you can see one more than one. But here you can't add yes. Here the spelling is, here your spelling is also changed and your pronunciation is also changed. See here, tooth, teeth. You can't add tooth, tooths. It is wrong. Tooth, teeth. Man, men. Mouse, mice. Foot, feet. Then your child, children. Goose, geese. Ox, oxen. Woman, woman. Okay, in this way you are going to spell. Here you can't add yes, es, vs or ies. You will just say, repeat after me, tooth, T-O-O-T-H, tooth, teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Second one, man, M-A-N, man. Min, M-E-N, min. Third, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Mice, M-I-C-E, mice. Fourth, foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Fifth, F-E-E-T, feet. Then fifth, child, C-H-I-L-D, child. Children, C-H-I-L-D, R-E-N, children. Goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Geese, G-E-E-S-E, geese. Then ox, O-X, ox. Oxen, O-X-E-N, oxen. Then gate, woman, woman, O-M, sorry, W-O-M-A-N, woman. Human, W-O-M-E-N. So write down this exercise. Now see next, D1. Read the following words and write words which mean more than one. Now see here, man, min, M-E-N. Foot, feet. Child, children. Take down this. Okay, finish. Man, min. Foot, feet. Child, children. Woman, women. Now turn the page. See here, there is a short story. See here, use the words in the box to make words which mean more than one and fill the box blanks with those words. Okay, fill it with those words. Now how you will write? See here, you want to see the picture and you want to add it. Here words are given. Sandwich, girl, book, pencil, picture, box, story. Now what you want to do here? You want to fill the box, fill in the blanks with those words. The first is done for you, which mean more than one. Now see here, Anju keeps her pencils in the pencil box and her dash in the school bag. And her, what she will do? She will keep pencils in the pencils in the pencil box and her books. Now here it is given book. So it becomes books. It becomes books in the school bag. She goes to school. Then other girls play with her. They paint pictures. They paint pictures in the drawing book. They take out their lunch boxes. They take out their lunch boxes and eat sandwiches. So, then the teacher tells them, and what the teacher tells? Stories. Now it is here Y. If Y is there, it will come S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Stories. See here how we have had. First we have seen pencils. Yes, we have had only. Then for books also we can see only yes. Then girls only yes. Now here pictures, they add pictures, picture ES. We have had S. Then boxes, BOXES. Then sandwiches, SANDWICHES. Sandwiches. The teacher tells them stories. Stories, STORIES. Stories, and help them to read books. They are happy. Now see, Anju keeps her pencils in the pencil box and her books in the school bag. She goes to school. Other girls play with her. They paint pictures in the drawing book. They take out their lunch boxes and eat sandwiches. The teacher tells them stories and help them to read books. They are happy. Okay children, today what we have seen? One and more than one. In short we can see singular and plural. And when to add S, ES, VES and IES. This also we have learned in this topic. So learn this whatever has finished today. Just do revision, revise it once time. Okay. Thank you very much.